Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this video is all around getting started with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now, just like the previous mini drones from DJI, this one is super simple to set up and get flying, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. Now, if you do want to know a bit more around the features and specifications of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, then click on the link in the description, which will take you to our first look video, which covers all of that off. Right, let's get to setting it up. Once you've taken everything out of the box, it's a good idea to give it all a once over just to check that you've got everything that you should have. And then you're going to want to pop the drone and the controller on charge. Next, you're going to want to set your controller up by screwing in the joysticks and finding the right cable to connect to your phone. The joysticks are stored in the bottom of the controller and they can sometimes be a little tricky to screw in, so take your time and make sure they're on nice and tight. Then you're going to want to pull out the phone holder and connect your phone using the DJI Fly app. The cable for this should store really nicely under the holder. This is also a great time to familiarize yourself with the buttons, where they're located and what each of them do, like your on-off button, how to switch between modes, the return to home, your gimbal control, and the start-stop record button. These are all really useful to know before you actually turn that drone on and get flying. Thankfully, the Mini 5 Pro comes with its props already attached, so we don't need to do that. What we do need to do though is take off its gimbal cover and then make sure that we've removed all of the stickers and any of the extra packaging that's still on the drone. Now, I will show you how to remove and replace the propellers because it is really quick and simple to do, and there will come a time when you're going to need to do it. So to remove a prop, all you need to do is push down and twist and it will come off just like so. And as you can see here, they are color coded, and that just makes it a lot easier for you to make sure that you're replacing it with the correct propeller. Then to reattach, all you need to do is again push down and twist and it will lock in place. Now all that's left for us to do is turn it all on and activate it via the DJI Fly app. If this is your first time flying a DJI drone, then I'd highly recommend taking the time to familiarize yourself with the DJI Fly app, just so that you know where all of the important settings and information is displayed and accessed, so that you can quickly do it when the drone is in flight, because last thing you want to be doing is spending a whole load of time staring down at your phone. Enough talking, let's go fly. I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed watching. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.